Both Bryan bowling teams lost to a tough Wauseon team last night. Dakota Brandeberry had a team-high series for the boys with a 4-12, while the girls were led by Ashley Grymonprez with a 392 series. The 7th grade girls basketball team is off to a 2-0 starting after defeating Wauseon and Paulding. The girls beat Wauseon 22-12 with Averyann Fisher leading the way Wauseon with 8 points. Brianna Richmond and Braya Hepker had 6 points each. Chloe Wallace chipped with 2 points. Against Paulding, the Bryan Bears won 30-13. Averyann led all scorers once again with 16 points. Emma Slagle had 4 points.
The 8th grade girls basketball team also lost to Paulding last night by a score of 45-27. Piper Hannah had 13 points, Amaya Langham 8, Kelsey Theo 4, and Taylor Dominic 2.
The varsity girls basketball team moved 5-1 on the season with 68-30 win over Edgerton. Bryan had 4 players in the double figures, with Allie Allspaw and Reese Growthhouse each scoring 12 points, while Kaylee Thiel and Ella Voigt scored 10. The JV won 36-22, and Josie Arnold netted 22 points in the win.
The Bryan 8th grade boys hosted Paulding last night. The Bears got beat 30-16. Elijah Cummins scored 5 points, and Carter Altaffer 4 points. The 7th grade lost 37-29. Alex Diaz scored 7 points, Easton Kerr 4, and Rhett McGill 3 points.
Please join the youth and action groups for spreading cheer until the holiday break. Pick a car during lunch or at a station around the school campus and deliver a positive, uplifting message to spread cheer to a classmate, teacher, or family member. Please keep the message positive and appropriate so we can continue this worthwhile event.
Everyone's favorite ogre, Shrek, is coming to Bryan High School. Information about auditions, learning sessions, and crew applications can be found in the Bryan High School Musical Google Classroom page. Flyers with the QR code are posted around the building.